First item I want to talk about is rocker arm assemblies for C15 and C18 engine applications. We have the intake, exhaust, and the injector arms for the popular C15 applications, truck engines. These also fit C18 engine applications. So there's three different arms: the intake, exhaust, and then the injector arm. So these arms come with the latest bushing or no bushing. As you can see in that top arm there, the 4373863 is not bushed. They come with either the steel pin or the brass pin, depending on the application. But you can see the three arms that we have available now. Also for C32, we have connecting rod bearings in undersize. These are 0.63 millimeters undersized, the rod bearings. These bearings feature tri-metal construction, so they have good scuff resistance, and also tin plating, overplating for break-in. For C32, we have the rocker arm shaft now available, the 3134085. Similar to the C15 shaft. Also for C32, we're also going to be, we have the Series 60 shaft. We're also doing the ISX shafts for the rocker arms as well. The shafts that we are going to offer will do the steel roller pin and also the 17 millimeter rollers. But those shafts are inbound. They're probably a couple weeks out yet. Also for valve train components, these are for the D3500 B series engines, if you will. These are the cam follower assemblies. The 5744543 is for the valve, and then the 2827944 is for the injector. You can see the valve is up on top there. You see the narrow profile of it versus the injector follower. Also for the X15 CM2350 applications is a new water pump, the 5406048. And you can see the difference on this pump. For those of you familiar with ISX, the back housing on the current ISX pumps is plastic. And you can see that they've improved the design and went to steel. That was prone to leakage, so they have eliminated it, and you can see that the back end of that pump is all single piece and it's steel. For Cummins ISX, we have the new camshaft for the X15 engine. This would be for EPA 2017 engine models. The 3690406 is the part number of it. The center lobe that you see there is for the engine brake. This one we've developed with the help of a customer in Europe. This is kind of unique to a Euro 6 engine application. This is a 547-2966 lower gasket set for the ISL 9. You can see it's got double oil pan gaskets, which is kind of strange. They have a windage tray, if you will, on the bottom end of that engine. A turbocharger for DD15 applications. These fits the lower horsepower model, and it's got a conventional wastegate. So you can see the vacuum or actuated wastegate there. Later engines have electronic. For John Deere, we've actually sold a number of these already. This is the in-frame or an overhaul kit for the 6090 engine. This is the forged steel pistons, friction welded, and you can see the liners, which are kind of special in that they're a ductile iron. Close up of the kit. And there's the friction welded piston. This piston's been around a while, you can see, because it's still got bushings. For Navistar DT466, we have a new oil pump This pump is similar to the other DT466E oil pumps. Comes with the mounting bolt and washer. For the DT466 DT570, this is model year 2004 and up. There's the new 33 plate core. We've had the previous core, which I believe is only 20 some plates, but this is a double stack, if you will, oil cooler. This is just the core. Comes with the mounting O-rings and the bolts to mount it to the cooler housing. For Navistar, we have a new MaxxForce 9 and 10 valve cover gasket assembly. The 1882-222C95 fits MaxxForce 9 and 10 DT570 applications. Also, we listed the different valve cover gasket wiring harness assemblies that we offer. You can see the electronics there to hook up to the injectors. And then the gasket is plastic with an elastomer seal, and it's got the metal torque limiters in there so you can't over torque and crush the gasket.
Whatever you get, gonna take some more now.